I recently picked up this Taylor GS Mini-e Rosewood, one of Taylor's most popular travel size guitars, brand new for an incredible value. It was pretty much half off of what I would pay if I were to buy it brand new from Guitar Center. And the caveat here is just that there's some printing on there, but modifications are all cosmetic, so I decided to go for it. This video is documenting my unboxing experience firsthand, so you can also see what you can expect if you were to buy this brand new online and my first impressions. The front and back sides are exactly the same, showing Taylor GS Mini front center, real small Taylor, fragile printing, and also made in Mexico. Nothing on the sides. Bottom just has the regulatory stamps and disposal instructions. Top label shows the details of the product. It shows the model number is a GS Mini-e Rosewood. ESB electronics, has an NT neck, and the customization is the exchange artwork, plus you see the serial number there. There's just some commercial staples holding down the top, which a little sharp tug is easy to loosen up. And then you can see there's also some cardboard protecting the top of the GS Mini outline. And then the guitar in this case is still enclosed in a large plastic bag tied up with the plastic clip that looks like those things that you can find on packaged sliced bread. And if you're curious, there is some styrofoam padding at the bottom of the box. Alright, so here's a quick first look of the GS Mini-e Rosewood. I'll be doing a separate review video similar to what I did for the 214 CE once I've had time to, of course, play with it. But here's a look at the structured padded case that it comes with free of charge. It has a very large accessories compartment in the front with dual zippers. Unzipping it, you'll find the owner's papers, which has two pieces of paper. One is more of a welcome guide to Taylor guitars in general, which shows you how to register your guitar, and also a brief overview of the guitar components. It doesn't have the specifics on here. This is kind of more general, so you definitely want to go onto their website for the details of like what the strings are on this particular guitar. And of course, it tells you all about humidity control, very important to maintain your guitar, and their customer service information. The other piece of paper is basically an advertisement for their other accessories like their straps, picks, hangers. But back to the guitar bag here, you can see there's a small elastic pocket for more storage, and it's actually pretty deep, and this is a departure from the structured guitar bag on their bigger size guitars. I did a whole video on that if you're interested, but I noticed it looks a little crooked. I don't know if it's just my particular model, but it looks the least tidied up compared to the rest of the product. It does have some nice side handles just like the full size version, plus an additional handle on the back for upright carry, and of course backpack straps that are adjustable on the back. I'll be doing a whole separate video on just the gig bag itself, so let's go ahead and get back to the guitar. And here is the little guy. It has a solid sit-cut spruce top and layered rosewood back and sides. All of it is a satin finish, so you can even see the pores in the wood. Depending on the year model, you might see it with a different colored pickguard. This one's a 2022 version, so it's all black, and it's strung with medium gauge D'Addario strings, tuned with closed chrome tuners. Action looks appropriate, not too high, not too low. I'll be going over all the detailed specs in my review video, of course, but a quick look at their ESB preamp located on the side here. As of this video, it is the current ESB version with the tuner and 3-band EQ system plus volume slider, which is powered by a 9-volt battery that's found behind the panel. And if you're curious on the modifications done on this guitar in terms of the artwork, it has the exchange artwork printed onto the actual top. Very hard to remove without actually having to sand it down to the raw wood and then refinish. And you can see there is a signature probably done in Sharpie on the back. It looks like it's Bob Taylor. Still have to get confirmation on that. And then inside the sound hole, you can see the label is a little bit different. It even says Exchange GS Mini. But otherwise, it looks like it's a standard GS Mini-e Rosewood, and I'm looking forward to playing it. Definitely subscribe to see my review video when that comes out. Thank you for watching.